today these criminals are always offing my camera, this camera. I asked this Wi-Fi wala, what is the problem? Then he said, like some people are hacking, otherwise it won't be like this. And he said, so make it that. And he even agreed, like working on like really put up your. He said it was person yesterday, not yesterday, today morning like 10:30 it was proper. And after that started drama. And you can see also there are so many CCTV cameras and it won't get off. Here I'm having what you know this our inverter is there. So current problem is no current problem. The problem only Wi-Fi. Even if Wi-Fi is not there, no problem. This will be there. It will get recorded. The camera will record. You all know. There is no need that Wi-Fi should be there to record it recorded. Nothing like that. Camera will record only current is here. That is there. 24/7. And these criminals are doing something to so that these criminals can record these things. Okay, like that. For that purpose, these criminals are doing all these things. To create nasty stories that someone is coming. My mother went and this Subramanian all these fans came that CG Supreme for doing this actually. He is coming here and that. So after he is allowed to enter our house. That was the bastard. I will show he enter. And the bastard is doing drama actually. As if he is under. And you all know I am having 3 cameras and these criminals are doing some other dramas. As if all the 2 other cameras are somewhere else. The same house, here I am. These criminals will be doing all these dramas.